In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite party chat not working. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make sure that you have party chat enabled so you can communicate with your teammates regardless of which mode you play inside of Fortnite. Now, this is a process that you will be able to do mostly on the home screen. So before queuing up on the lobby, all that you have to do here is access the settings. If you are on PC using a keyboard and mouse, click on your icon at the top right corner of the screen and go over to the menu at the bottom where you can find the settings. If you are using a controller, press the start button instead and you will find the settings as well. Now, the most relevant option here is to switch over to audio. So the second option on the top and scroll down until you reach the voice chat category. In here, you have to make sure that voice chat is not set to off. You can do friends only, where only people you have added on your Epic Games friends list will be able to hear and talk to you, and you will only be able to talk to them. You can set it to friends and teammates. That way, only your friends and teammates who are lobbied up with you will be able to talk together, and everybody. And as you might expect, this is going to make it so your microphone and audio works for everyone near you. Now, regardless of which option you pick, you simply have to make sure that it is not set to off. By making sure it is on friends only, friends and teammate, or everybody, party chat will be working by default. You don't have to do any more additional setup. Now, you can change some other optional settings, for example, push to talk, open mic, or mute. This will allow you to always keep your microphone open or set a key that you have to press in order to talk. If you set it to mic muted, you will be able to hear people over party chat, but they will not be able to hear you as your microphone is going to be disabled. You have other options, for example, selecting the input device, and this is very important. If you are trying to talk on your microphone and people cannot hear you, you have to make sure that the microphone connected to your computer is properly being detected here. So if you have multiple microphones like me, just make sure that you either leave it on default input and that should be good to go, or if you want to be extra safe, select the specific microphone that you want to use in game. Of course, the same also applies for the output device. This is where you are going to be able to hear the people talking. Besides this, like I said previously, there isn't much that you can change. What I recommend is that you visit the keyboard controls or the controller options where you can change aspects about voice chat. For example, how you communicate. So as you can see, push to talk is set to T, meaning that I have to press this button in order to talk and party chat so they can hear me. You can also use enter if you want to talk through text, and as long as you have voice chat enabled, you will be able to talk and communicate with your party. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite party chat not working. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.